Hey guys, Nate with Scene Clean. You know, we oftentimes get a phone call or an email that says, hey, I've got a 2-bedroom home. How much does it cost to clean it out? The answer to that isn't always as easy as just telling us how many beds and baths there are. The reason being is what we're cleaning out can determine how much work is involved to clean it out. There's a big difference between cleaning out a home that's got a lot of contents that maybe are empty boxes or old furniture versus a home that has a mixture of those items and maybe some gross filth, meaning feces or urine, or perhaps there's even some biohazards to clean up. That all needs to be taken into account when we price out jobs. There's jobs that we've done that are all books or all heavy papers, which creates a lot more labor involved to clean those homes out. The other big consideration is how big of dumpsters do we need and how many dumpsters do we need? Every county in Minnesota has a different tax rate for dumpsters. The highest area, of course, is the Twin Cities Metro. Ramsey County, Washington County, Hennepin County have taxes on top of the state tax when it comes to dumpsters. So part of the reason we need to come out and see these job sites is to determine how many labor hours we think we're going to need, how many dumpsters we think we're going to need, and of course what the items are that we're going to dispose. So to answer your question, how much does it cost to clean out a hoarding home? We need to come see it in order to give you a fair price. If you call a company and they give you a flat price over the phone, even never having seen it, please be cautious of that because there are a lot of things that can need to be taken into account when it comes to clean up a hoarding home. If you got any further questions, give us a call, 612-643-0911, or visit us on the web at scenecleaninc.com. Thank you.